So here's the 440S, and with the voice module removed, after some time when the components dry out, you're going to start to get a sort of 400 hertz sawtooth noise coming out of the audio amplifier, and this will affect virtually everything but the AFSK out, as demonstrated by that noise. And in order to alleviate this problem, what you need to do is there is a wire over here labeled 3, and all one needs to do is simply remove the entire connector. So, you do that while holding the phone. You'll hear that the problem has abated. Let me plug that in just to demonstrate.